Welcome back. In this video, we're making chicken fajita pitas. Into a large bowl, 1 package of chicken tenderloins, the juice from 1 orange, 1 packet of chicken fajita seasoning, season with salt and pepper, give that a quick mix, place into an air fryer at 375 degrees for about 12 to 14 minutes. Cover with tin foil to keep warm. Pour a few tablespoons of oil into a frying pan, then add 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper, and 1 white onion. Cook over medium-high heat about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the vegetables are soft. Once again, 1 packet of chicken fajita seasoning mix, and the juice from 1 orange. Mix to combine and heat through. In a small bowl, toss together the chicken and the peppers and onions. Grab one of your pitas, sprinkle the cheese of your choice on the bottom. I'm using Oaxaca, then the chicken and peppers mixture, and there we have it, chicken fajita pitas. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.